What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I know yesterday I didn't do my breakdown of my portfolio for the month, so I'm going to be breaking it down today. And just trying to do this every month so you guys understand how my portfolio is progressing and how I've gone from being at a certain point to being at a lower point to being at a higher point to being at a lower point again. And it just shows the progression and how things are moving in the general market. If we literally draw a line chart, you're going to see how it does move and how it does move really with the market. And nothing more than that. I mean, if you're investing more for long-term investments or even just short-term larger gains that you expect over maybe um, a kind of longer period of time, not as long as what you would see with like a long-term investment, like you holding Amazon for 10 years, like you holding a position for maybe 9 months or a year and a half. It's considered long-term, but it's not as long-term as people expect to go through different cycles. However, this year or this past like year and a half has been very, very interesting for the crypto market, for the stock market, for just markets in general. But in this one, we're going to go over my crypto portfolio with you guys. So hopefully you guys like it. If you do, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I think you know what? Before we do that, guys, I do have these shirts down there. If you guys want to pick up some Profit Apparel shirts, feel free to check out my store and also, any other links that are down there. But yeah, now let's dive into this. So if we go into my phone, I'm going to show you everything, all the different levels, all the different places that I can go into, where you guys can see where my portfolio is and how much I have. I'm probably the most transparent person in the crypto space. Everybody else really doesn't show you their portfolio. And if they do, they show you a basically top of the line portfolio or when the portfolio is at their best. I show you when it's at its best, when it's at its worst, just overall. So anyways, let's go ahead and check this thing out. Let's start with what's on my list where we have Robinhood. So we're going to show you Robinhood. That is on my list. I'm going to try and like move me to the side a little bit so you guys have some space to see the screen. But we're going to go into Robinhood and you're going to see that I have $89.32 in Robinhood. Not a lot. I was actually planning on getting completely out of it, but I do have Dogecoin, and that's pretty much all I have over there. And Dogecoin moved a little bit, especially with the whole Twitter payment situation. So $89.23 is what I have over there. Now, if we go into the next platform here, we have Coinbase. Coinbase is a place where I hold majority of my cryptocurrency. And you're going to see that I have $24,348.48 right now. So if we go into my assets, you're going to see everything that I am holding. My highest, held is Ethereum, which has moved a little bit. I'm up about $2,000 on that. You're going to see Krill, Cardano, Harvest Finance, Tezos. I do have some other plays over here as well. I have Algorand, I have Ren. I did buy Jasmine Coin over here, which I'm up $35 on. Gala I bought over here, Loopring. You're going to see I have all of these positions that I've talked about in the past. I still hold them. I've bought more. I've averaged down as the markets were getting to kind of their worst. So that's where I stand there, 24,000 plus dollars that's over in Coinbase. The next one that we want to go into, I'm going to skip a lot of the ones that I had on my list before, but we're going to go into crypto.com, which is another one where I hold a decent amount. I would say the second most, if you look on the list, the second most that I hold on any exchange. And I hold $9,027.69, at which here's where I'm holding my Shiba Inu, some Chronos here. I'm holding Compound. I have Harvest Finance. I have some Harvest Finance, OMG Network. I have some Gitcoin as well, Luna 2, Dogecoin. Well, very little of those, but that's just crypto dust. But yeah, I hold a decent amount over there, and you're going to see that I have $8,900. It was $9,000 at one point. Or total, I guess, is $9,000. Yeah, if we go back into it. Let me. Yeah, total is about $9,000. Now we're gonna get into the next one. The next one is MetaMask, and MetaMask I'm holding a lot in there as well. It was more when I had my Terra Luna Classic over there, but since I moved it over to the new Station wallet. Now we don't have as much over there. So I am holding BNB over there. I bought 5.6 BNB, at which BNB is at a decent price right now. I do have some Luna that I'm actually gaining from Terra, from Lunatics token. So Lunatics token, when you're holding it, you gain free, Terra Luna Classic, and I have $21 worth of Terra Luna Classic that I gained from Luna T. And you're going to see the most that I hold over here is Luna T at $5,631.50. That's over there, which is about 661 million coins or tokens. Now, let's get into the next one. We're going to skip the next one, which is Trust Wallet at $27, and we're going to go into L Bank. L Bank is a place to where a lot of people are familiar with that have seen my portfolio updates. I hold Zelda Inu over there, at which they've been making moves and making developments, and I can't wait until they release everything that they have in store. But you are seeing that my Zelda Inu is worth about $3,952.94 there. And that's all I have over in L Bank. I'm not sure if I'm going to move that over to, MetaMask or something, but that's where it is. It's in L Bank right now. And that's $3,952. The next one that we have here that we're going through is the DeFi wallet. So the DeFi wallet, as you can see, I hold crypto on a lot of different places. And the reason why I do that is because I want to be well diversified. I don't want to have diversified. I want to be diversified, in my portfolio, my investments, to make sure that I'm not just going to get everything taken away by being invested in one exchange or two exchanges, also having some in wallets and different places and different projects there. So over there, I have it looks like $7,490. It has gone up from what I reported here, but $7,490 and 62 cents. All I have over here, if I go to earn, all I have is CRO that's staked, and I have Atom that is staked over here. At a 22% APY for Cosmos and a 11% APY for CRO. So $7,000+ there. The next one that we have listed here is going to be the Terra Station wallet. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you the dollar amount for Terra Luna Classic, but I can show you the amount that I have staked. So I have 46.4 million that is staked, which amounts to about $8,000, $8,094.99 at the current price. And that's how much I have in Terra Luna Classic. How much I invested was a small amount. It was $43. So I have $8,094.99. And the last one that I have here that I can't show you guys is the staked Lunatics token that I have over on their platform. And I have 90 million that's staked at about $3,170 or so. So total that I have invested in the crypto market, as we look through all of my different investments, the total amount that we have invested there is $63,570.08. That's how much I have in my portfolio, which is up a hell of a lot from where it was last month. How it did come back down from the higher point that it was at as it was starting to end the year, and then the beginning of the year we saw a little bit more, a little bit more, I guess, of a drop or something. But and I also didn't have this in here as well, so it was probably a little bit more, but $63 or $63,570.08. And we're going to continue to progress from here, continue to grow. There's a lot of opportunities, a lot of ability to grow your different projects, your different investments, and turn them into so much more. And I can't wait to see what they end up turning into. But that's what I have. That's what I house. I'm going to be as transparent as I can with you guys, let you know my highs, my lows. If you guys want to break all this stuff down and look at everything and how it has progressed, it's slowly progressed. And I would say that Luna T is a big part of why it's up there. Terra Luna Classic is a big part of why it's up there. Without those two, I would be at a lot less. I would be at a big loss compared to when you're looking at all the other projects that I have there, because I did gain money, but I reinvested them. And when I reinvested them, you saw the markets come back down. So without Terra Luna Classic, without Luna T, I would be at an insane loss. I would tell you that. It wouldn't be an insane loss, but it would be a bigger loss than what I want. I want to gain, so any loss is bigger than what I want. But anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you're thinking about. Let me know what your portfolio size is and how it has progressed. Have you been able to track it? Do you guys need a system to track it? Because we can always provide that over on Patreon if that's what people want. But anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.